So paying with Apple Pay at Costco Gas Station is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm gonna teach you how you guys can pay with Apple Pay at Costco Gas Station. So as we know, the Apple Pay can pay using the NFC. So the NFC payment is pretty easy. You just need to go to your any of the gas station that accept the NFC payment. And as you guys can see, this is how the NFC payment is received. There are a lot of options, including card and other options as well. But we want to pay using Apple Pay, so the NFC is more convenient and the easiest way. You just need to slide your phone or put your phone here at the back side of your phone here on this sensor. What it will do is it will activate the NFC of your Apple Pay, and you will probably ask for your facial ID verification or your PIN code. You just need to put that, and the amount of money or the amount of gas you put it on your car will be charged from your Apple Pay. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can pay with Apple Pay at Costco gas station. Hope you guys find this video helpful.